Welcome back to this video. If you use Brave browser on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and check out some of the new features that has been released by Brave browser and some of the bugs that have been fixed by Brave browser. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Brave browser. I'm going to click on here, open up my Brave browser. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here to open a new tab. So here we go. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the address bar right here. So I will simply type in what is new in Brave browser. So I'm going to click on that. Then it's going to take us right. So what we need to do is to click on this URL right here, brave.com/latest. So click on that. Then you have all the new release right here. Release Brave, organized per platform, Brave release note. Now, this is depends on the device you are using that will determine what you get in new features and how you can simply get them. Now, the first one right here is desktop version. So if you are using Brave on your desktop, so this is the new version that has just been released by Brave. You can see right here. So you can simply scroll down and read the detail. So scroll down and get on the. Now for Android user, you have to simply scroll down right here, and what you have here is 1.76.73 version, which is released March 6, 2025. So what you get as far as this feature is concerned, here is added meld as a provider for buy crypto asset. Asset crash when navigating between Brave wallet screen is certain cases. So this is the bug right here, and that's been fixed. Fix crash when resetting Brave wallet setting in certain case. Fix connect wallet dialog not closing when a new tab is open. Fixed. Then generally, you can scroll down right here and read the detail as far as general statement is concerned. So there are a lot of issues that have been fixed right here as far as Brave new features is concerned, including the Brave VPN and application and the likes. So you can scroll down. Now for you to get for Android version, what you need to do is to simply click on download for Android. So if you are using iOS, scroll down right here. The next one here is for iOS. As you can see, you can scroll down and check on more detail as far as this is concerned. So for you to download, simply click on download for iOS. It's as simple as that. But in this tutorial, I'm using Android, so I will have to simply scroll to the top right here and click on download Brave for Android. I'm going to simply click on it, and it will redirect you back to Google Play Store, whereby you need to download the new feature that has been released by Brave browser. Then you are going to see update available and make Brave search your own way. So once it takes you to Play Store, what you need to do is to simply click on update, and once you update, you have access to all the latest feature that has been released. So you can click on this arrow right here and check on some of the important feature that have been fixed. About 5 things have been fixed as far as new release is concerned, such as made improvement to our notification permission prompts, localization improvement for the Serbian language, then added partial support for Albania, Assyria, Georgia, etc., then you can see quite a lot of languages here. Made some general stability improvement, upgraded to Chromium 134. It's as simple as that. So this is what I have for you as far as new features and updated of Brave is concerned. Let me know what you think about this new feature as far as Brave browser is concerned in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.